welcome back to my channel. I'm Mandy and today I have a special Love Handles self-love themed workout planned for y'all to help cinch your waist in loving Mandy fashion. I wanted to create a special self-love themed video because Valentine's Day is coming up and I feel like it's so easy to take ourselves for granted, and the relationship we have with ourselves is the most important one. So before we get into today's workout, I just wanted to give a huge loving shout out of thanks to today's video sponsor, Ana Luisa Jewelry. If y'all have been following me, y'all know that I absolutely love this jewelry brand. They are amazing. They are tarnish free and they have an extensive collection of gorgeous jewelry. Y'all will always see me wearing them in my videos, and I wanted to show off they're always coming out with the cutest new pieces, and they did not disappoint for Valentine's Day. Look at how cute their new pieces are. So I have a pair of studs right now. They're little diamond studs they came out with. I have their new gorgeous little heart ring. It's so cute. It has like a little dangly heart. I have their new heart bracelet. How cute is that? It's like the cutest little tennis bracelet. I have another one of their rings, and they have this beautiful new set of earrings as well. Look at how gorgeous those are. I cannot wait to wear these with an outfit. Oh my gosh, so cute. The reason why I love these guys too, like I wear them daily. Y'all know that I'm a glam and a fit girly. They transition so easily from dressing up to being sporty and dressing a little bit more casual like I am today for a workout. And they're pieces, I've worn them on vacation, I've showered with them, I wear them daily. They, as I said, don't tarnish, so that's a big deal. And their price point is everywhere from very low to going higher for those of you who want more luxury, like diamonds, real gold, that kind of thing. So they have something for everyone. I feel like everyone could pick something for themselves that's really beautiful for Valentine's Day. So if y'all want to go shopping and get yourself a little gift of self-love, you can go and check out my link in the video description below. There's also a discount there where you can get up to 25% off these gorgeous jewels as well as all of their other collections. So go and check them out, and without further ado guys, let's get into today's workout.